In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Operation Failed services temporarily unavailable on the Amazon Alexa app. First, force close the app, launch the app. Now launch App Switcher, close the app, then relaunch it. Next, check whether you are connected to any VPN or proxy. If you are connected to any VPN service, you will need to disable it. Next thing you want to do is check for app update. So launch App Store or Play Store, search for Amazon Alexa. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. If the error still appears, try accessing your Amazon Alexa account through a web browser. If the website works but the app does not, the problem is likely with the app itself. If the solution didn't work out for you, completely delete the app from your device and then reinstall it. If the error still appears, the issue may be caused by a temporary Amazon server outage. Wait a few moments and try again later. That's how you can easily fix Operation Failed services temporarily unavailable error on the Amazon Alexa app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.